For this video, we'll be going over exercise 4.14, pow2. Essentially, for this problem, we are supposed to create a method that raises a base to a certain power, regardless of whether the exponent is positive or negative. So let's start off by creating the method that it asks for. Pow2. You can see the method has been created. Pow2 accepts double base and an integer exponent as the parameters. And we're returning a double. So let's start off by creating a double that will store the final answer after all the calculations have been made. I'm going to call it D and make it equal to 1. So we can split this problem into two parts. The first will work with an exponent that is 0 or greater, and the second part will work with a negative exponent since they require a separate calculation. So we can break this up using an if statement, if else statement. If the exponent is greater or equal to 0, and we're going to run a for loop. Using int I equals 0, I less than the exponent. And essentially what we're doing here is that we want to multiply the base however many times the exponent, the number of exponent, basically we want to multiply the base however many times the exponent says to. That's kind of how exponents work. So that's what we're doing over here. And for a negative exponent, it's going to be captured in the else statement. We can undo the negative by making it negative exponent. So we can still cycle through the for loop the same number of times. But instead of multiplying it by the base, we want to do 1 over the base, since that's how negative exponents work. Now, after all the calculations have been made, after we multiply however many times the exponent says that we should, we're going to return the final answer, which in this case is stored in D, the double variable. And we're going to run the code to make sure it works. And it passes all the tests. Thank you.